Some girls are so turned on by a man that they would do anything to please him. Why? Before we go into it, I want you to know that this video will not be politically correct. What turns girls on is not something that society talks about. Instead, they teach you all the wrong things. That only sounds nice, but never actually works with girls. We will go over 4 things that turn girls on. 1. Status here is the hard reality. Attraction for girls is not a choice. If you are a guy without any status, you will come across a lot of girls in life that have an arrogant attitude or don't even notice your existence at all. Even if she wants to be attracted to you, if everything in her subconscious mind tells her that you are a nobody, she will not be attracted to you. This is why you will see rappers and artists go from nothing to being worshipped like a god by millions of girls. The guy could be a regular man or even a below-average looking man that's broke and out of shape. It doesn't matter. The status elevates him and makes him attractive to girls. These girls will call him the most handsome man, while they would not look at him for a second when he didn't have that status. If you understand this, you should not become bitter or angry at female nature. Instead, you should know that girls that used to be arrogant towards you can change their behavior and become sweet and submissive. If they want you, they can't help but get turned on by certain types of men. Now, I'm not saying you need to become a rapper or become famous to turn girls on. Status comes in all social areas of life. If a girl walks in a boxing gym, she will quickly pick up on the man with the most status in that zone. Subconsciously, she will notice how other girls and other men treat him, and that will make him interesting. Anyone can get some status and climb the social hierarchy. The internet did change the game. If you want to take status to a serious level, you should use the internet to your advantage. 2. Dominance. Most girls are attracted to sexually dominant partners. There are studies that show what the majority of women fantasies about when it comes to sexual activity. It comes down to Ralph dominance. Most of the fantasies women have cannot be discussed on YouTube, as this channel would get deleted just to know that women love dominant men, both in the bedroom and in life. Most guys you see in the modern world discuss everything with their girl. They ask her what she wants to do and what her opinion is on everything. The truth is that girls don't want to make all the decisions. They want a strong man that can lead the way. Nowadays, you will see guys that can't even decide what they want to eat. A failure. It should take no longer than 30 seconds to decide what you want to eat. The truth is that dominance is something you will find more in alpha males. There are a lot of fake alpha males out there that have tarnished the term alpha male. But make no mistake about it, real alphas will always exist, and it is those men that have girls chasing them and other men respecting them. 3. The abundance mindset. Most men turn women off because of one deadly flaw, the scarcity mindset. This means you believe that opportunities for love and sex are rare. Many guys are needy because of this mentality. Nothing about the scarcity mindset is attractive to girls. The opposite is an abundance mindset. A guy with an abundance mentality knows that girls are replaceable. There are thousands of beautiful women out there in every city. He isn't really affected by the loss of a girl who he just met. He won't chase her thinking she is more special than others. He won't put her on a pedestal like a guy with a scarcity mindset does. When he meets an attractive woman, he won't look at her like she is some kind of goddess to be admired. He will see her as she really is, just a normal person, and treat her accordingly. If you have an abundance of options with women, then you won't really care if you can have sex with any particular woman. You have plenty of options. There is no reason to worry about Lisa. You've still got Amanda, Sarah, and Jessica. The guy with the abundance mentality might come across as a little bit cocky or overconfident. But the reality is that this is a huge turn-on for women. They like to know that the man they are with could get other women. This makes the man more valuable in her eyes, and she can't help but respect it now. It's hard to have an abundance mindset when you don't have an abundance of women, but you should still carry yourself with that mindset. Both with money and women, when you treat them as a rare source and act needy, they will become hard to obtain. But when you carry yourself like you can always get more, more will come to you. 4. Chase your purpose. Your mission should always come above girls. Imagine a soldier going before he goes with his wife next morning, they eat breakfast together, and the wife asks him if he really needs to go. She tells him how she will miss him and wants him to stay and watch movies. Together, the soldier thinks about it for a second and suddenly starts unpacking his bags. The wife asks him what he's doing, and he tells her he changed his mind. He doesn't want to go to war and would rather stay at home with her. The wife is happy in the moment, but she loses respect and attractiveness for him. Why all women are biologically designed to respect. The man that puts his purpose above her, she might complain in the moment, but it will turn her on like nothing else. No matter what she says, your purpose should always come first. If you planned on going to the gym and your girl wants you to stay at home to eat popcorn and watch movies, you should still go to the gym. You could watch movies until later if you want, but your purpose comes first. The problem with modern men is that they are so far removed from their core masculinity that they let girls dictate their actions. Status, dominance, abundance, and purpose, if you combine the 4 things we have talked about, you will quickly find yourself operating on a different level than most men in life. If you enjoyed watching this video, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics like this, also make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Until next time, stay healthy and safe. Thank you for watching.